गवर्नमेंट स्कूल और प्राइवेट स्कूल फरकटा कौन पाठ पढ़ार आप देखते एक कुनी पिलाटी किभली भाव इंग्लीश नॉनस्टॉप कही चली
प्रियंका पात्र
कौ क्लास पढ़ुच
क्लास को तीन
तीन। अच्छा कौन कहल डिबेट अगस्ट 15
Honorable President, respected head sir, esteemed speaker, respected all teacher, and my beloved audience, a very good morning to all the excellence. And my dear colleagues who are gathered here to celebrate 78 years of Independence Day. I am Priyanka Patra. I am class third. I am very happy to speak here on a great occasion. I am very grateful to my class teacher for giving me such a special opportunity to tell me views on the Independence Day. I would like to speak on the Indian struggle for getting freedom from the British rule. I am feeling extremely glad to have been standing in front of you.